Restas, Aunties, welcome video lovers. This is Tac Nerd 1.0. Little bit of things on the menu for today. Midway was having a sale recently, and no, this is not a sale for you. I am not selling anything YouTube. Midway was having a sale recently. They were selling some Samson equipment, and also these came back in stock. I had kind of wanted one for a while, so I kind of just jumped at it. They seem to always be out of stock. I never see anybody actually using these though, and I see very few reviews of them on YouTube. So I thought we would take a look at them together here and see. So let's go ahead and open this. This is, of course, the BX25s times dose. Basically, it's just two BX25 magazines. And yes, YouTube reviewer, this does follow YouTube's regulations, as these are both separate magazines. So basically what this does, it's just like you glued two of them together, or taped two of them together yourself. And it does come with one of these nifty caps at the end. You can buy these separately if you're looking for them, but you just go right in your 1022 like a normal magazine. It does make it a little bit longer, maybe a little unwieldy. Now, do you really need this? No, probably not. Absolutely not. Is it more convenient? I guess you don't have to load another magazine, I guess. Again, not necessary, but kind of cool. I have heard of some people having issues with these, that the second magazine does not feed well, but if you open it up and lube it a little bit, then they seem to work okay. We'll give this a try when I can get to the range. Let's take a look at the other things that I have here. Now, this is a muzzle brake for this stock in particular. And one of the reasons I got this is because the one I had, A, it doesn't fit very well, and B, it's really long. It's like probably over 2 inches long. So this one's quite a bit shorter, and color's a little bit better. I think this will be, this one probably is going to cut like about 1 inch off the length here. And it does look a little better too. I like the way that one looks. So we're going to get that on. And then lastly is this heat shield. And they actually give you Allen key and some Loctite with this, because basically what you're going to do is you're going to remove the sight, the barrel sight on the 1022. And then, as you can see here, they include this little one here, and then that just screws into there. So this actually keeps this down. So the one I have now, there's really nothing keeping it down other than this front spacer, and then I literally have some double-sided tape keeping it down. Now, I will have to cut a small access panel here so I can get this off of here, because this is the takedown model, and this is made for the non-takedown model. I don't think that's going to be a big deal. I did it with this one. This one should work fine. So unfortunately, I cannot install anything here on YouTube, so we'll go ahead and install it, and then we'll come back and we'll show you the results of what everything looks like. All right, so let's start my magic. Let's get everything going here. Abracadabra, alakabla. All right, fellow viewers, we are back. Here we go. Here is the Ruger 1022 in all its glory, and we have the BX25 ×2. We have the new handguard on here, and we also have the new muzzle brake. Let's take a look at this closer first. Now it just has one attachment point, which is right there. It slides on. And I have to say, if you were an owner of tech sites, it works fine with them. I was a little concerned because my other one did have issues because this cap screw right here does come down kind of far. And on my other one, which is right here, I actually had to file a notch to get that to fit. This one, however, does not have that issue. So works great with tech sites. Looks good. It's shorter. Looks great, actually. It's kind of more of a matte stainless steel than anything, but it looks good. Now, I got this on Midway. They were having a sale on Samson Gear. I think if they do run one of those again and you're looking for this, I think it's a good buy. For the regular price, I don't know. Not sure. All right, let's take a look at the handguard. There we go. And this fits quite securely. You won't have an issue with it. I did put some Loctite on it, but it's solid. It does not move. And it does not have to go underneath the front barrel band. It purely secures on with this little cap screw right here. Now, you might be wondering, does it work if you have the 1022 takedown? In its current state, and in the state you get it, no. So you are going to have to do a little work to it. But as you can see, now I'm going to go ahead and take this magazine out. But as you can see, you bring the bolt back and secure it. Comes out just fine, no problem. And you just have to take out just a little bit of area. And then, by the way, you will also have to file down. You will also have to file down. It's got a little bit of a lip right there. You can see it here on this side. You will have to file down just that little bit of that lip right there. You can see, comes right over, go right in. You can line it right up, goes in, turn over, and you're good. Rock solid. No problem. And it looks a lot better than the one that's on there. Looks a lot closer to the Mini 14-ish look to it. So, yeah, I like this. I like that quite a bit. There's the folded view of it right there. Looks good. Looks real good. Now, about the 1025 times 2. So again, YouTube reviewers, this is 2 25-round mags attached together. That times 2 there. This is not one magazine. They have to be completely separately inserted. So that is 2 25s. So not much to see here, but both sides go in, as you can see there. And then, sorry that we have to go off camera for this. And then the other side right there. No problem. And of course you have your little cap that goes on here. I don't know which way it goes. There you go. So you got the little cap that goes on there. And that keeps everything, and it keeps from dust and such from getting in there. So that's it. That's really all we have. But I think these additions, this pretty much brings it to where I want this to be. I doubt that I'll add anything else to it at this point. The sling I have is a military sling. I think that completes the look, and everything else looks good. I like the handguard. I think I am pretty much done with this as it stands. So, folks, that's it. We are going to take this out and shoot this and see what we can get out of it. But that's it for the upgrades to the BTM stock for the Ruger 1022. And I do love it when a plan comes together, folks. Folks, if you like what you see here, Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, questions, or requests, please place them down in the doobly-doo, and please fire off a shot at that bell notification so you are announced when any of my videos hit the ground running. Folks, come back daily. We're trying to bring out daily videos for you. Sign up, sign on, signing out.